Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. Imagine you have just downloaded an important PDF, a contract, a report or presentation and it doesn't open. Is it corrupted, broken, or it's just inaccessible? Now, what if I told you there is a tool that can bring that file back to life quickly, reliably, and without hassle? In this video, I will introduce to you the Kernel PDF Repair tool, which is a powerful solution designed to restore corrupted, damaged, or unreadable PDF files in just a few clicks. From recovering lost text, images, and digital signatures to repairing files that refuse to open at all, this tool gives your important documents a second chance and saves your time, stress, and valuable data. In order to download the tool, you can just come directly on the official page, and the link for that you can find on the description below. Here you can see which kind of files or which kind of tasks you can do with this tool. Once you're here, you can just download the free edition or go ahead and buy it. After you have downloaded the setup file, it's pretty simple to just run it and install it. So here it is, the Kernel for PDF Repair tool. It's quite simple to use it. Basically, you just have file, view, help, and upgrade, which is used for activation of the license. All right, so basically here you have this option: add files, remove files, or remove all the files that you may have already here. By clicking over add files, you can browse to the location where you have the file that you want to repair. In this case, this is the file that I want to repair. So I just select that file and click over open, and here it will show the file that I have just selected. Let me show you quickly what happens when I try to open this file. So this is the file, and when I try to open it, it will pop up this notification that there is actually an error on this PDF files. So basically I cannot just open that. So I just click over OK. What we will do now, after we select the file, you can add as many files as you want. But once you are done with the selection of the files that you want to repair, we click over repair, and then you have to browse to the location where you want to save the repaired file. I'm just going to click over here. So all right, so we click over OK. So now this will show you two files on that location. One file is the one that is corrupted and the other one is the correct file. We go at this location where we just chose, so we click over OK. So here we are. These are the files that the tool has created after the repair. The correct one is the first one, which is the one that is repaired. We click over open, and here it is, the file now is restored. If we try the other file, here it is the error, failed to load the PDF document. So basically on the extracted files, one is the one that it doesn't work and the other one is the correct one. I have to mention that in order to see the files, you're gonna need the license, because with the free edition you can just repair it, but you cannot really see those files. So that's why I recommend you to have the license in order to have the full repair of the PDF file that you have corrupted or damaged. Basically, that's all that you have to do in order to repair a PDF file which is corrupted or damaged. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave on the comments below what do you think about this tool. All the best. Thank you for watching.